Hello students, welcome to the video class of the chapter 3-dimensional coordinate geometry, and the topic is what? Plane. In last class we discussed the perpendicular distance of the point from the plane and some other concepts. Now Brahmanath, Om Shanti Shanti Shanti. Dear students, in last class we discussed the concept of, that is, equation of plane and equation of plane in intercept form, normal form, its vector equation, Cartesian equation, and equation of plane passing through a point and perpendicular to the given point, equation of plane passing through 2 points perpendicular to single plane, equation of planes passing through 2 points and perpendicular to single plane, equation of plane passing through 1 point and perpendicular to 2 planes. Okay, and now and also discussed the perpendicular distance of the point from the plane and the perpendicular distance of the origin to the plane. Now today we are going to discuss some problems related to the perpendicular distance or shortest distance of a point to the plane. So what is here? One question is here, that is, a variable plane meets the coordinate axis at the point A and at a constant distance. This is what? At a constant distance d from origin. Prove that the locus of the centroid of the triangle ABC is 1 by x square plus 1 by y square plus 1 by z square is equal to 9 by d square. So this is, suppose, our coordinate system, 3-dimensional coordinate system. This is, suppose, x axis origin, y axis, z axis. Okay, then the plane meets x axis at the point A of what? A 0 0, and the point B, that is 0 B 0, at the point C, that is what? 0 0 C. This is the plane. The plane is what? Like this. Suppose this is z axis and the plane is like this. So let solution or proof, let the variable planes meets x axis at capital A of A 0 0, comma capital B of 0 B 0, and capital C of what? 0 0 C. Now equation of plane in intercept form is what? Equation of plane in intercept form is x by A plus y by B plus z by C is equal to 1, or we can write that implies x by A plus y by B plus z by C minus 1 is equal to 0. According to question, D is the distance. According to question, D is the perpendicular distance. D is the perpendicular distance from origin to the plane, origin to the plane. That implies what? That implies D is equal to put x equal to 0, y equal to 0, z equal to 0 here. So minus of mod divided by x coefficient, that is 1 by a square plus 1 by b square plus 1 by c square. This is x coefficient square plus y coefficient square plus z coefficient square. So D is equal to what? So D is equal to, now D is equal to, now here D is equal to what? D is equal to, that implies D is equal to 1 by root over 1 by a square plus 1 by b square plus 1 by c square, or we can write here, that is square root of 1 by a square plus 1 by b square plus 1 by c square is equal to what? 1 by d. Squaring both sides, squaring both sides, we get, that is what? 1 by a square plus 1 by b square plus 1 by c square is equal to 1 by d square. 1 by d square. Suppose this is equation 1. And now centroid of the triangle is what? Centroid of the triangle ABC. Centroid of the triangle ABC is what? Centroid of the triangle ABC is equal to, centroid of the triangle, this is equation, and from this we get this, and this is what? This is centroid of the triangle ABC is, that is a plus 0 by 3, x1 plus x2 plus x3 divided by 3, y1 plus y2 plus y3 divided by 3. So 0 plus b plus 0 by 3, 0 plus 0 plus c divided by 3. So that is equal to what? A by 3 comma b by 3 comma c by 3. This is centroid of the triangle ABC. Centroid of the triangle ABC. Now this is what? Its locus, that implies what? X is equal to a by 3, that implies here x is equal to a by 3 implies what? A equal to 3x, b is equal to what? Locus is, similarly y is equal to b by 3, that implies b is equal to 3y, and z is equal to c by 3, that implies c is equal to 3z. Put the x, y, z in equation 1. Put values of this is used in equation 1. That implies what? 1 by 3x whole square plus 1 by 3y whole square plus 1 by 3z whole square is equal to 1. So that implies 1 by 9x square plus, that is 1 by d square. 1 by d square. So 1 by 9x square plus 1 by 9y square plus 1 by 9z square is equal to 1 by d square. That implies what? 1 by x square plus 1 by y square plus 1 by z square is equal to 9 by d square. This is proved. Okay. Now another question is, a variable plane is at a constant distance free from origin and meets the coordinate axis at the point capital ABC through ABC. Planes are drawn parallel to the coordinate planes so that the Locus of their point of intersection is what? 1 by x square plus 1 by y square plus 1 by z square. Solution. This is the coordinate axis. Suppose coordinate system x, o, y, and this is z. Suppose the variable plane meets this point is at what? A 0 0, and this is b, suppose 0 b 0, and suppose this is c, that is 0 0 c. Meet the coordinate axis at ABC. Let the variable plane meets x axis at a 0 0, a of the 0, y axis at b of 0 b 0, and z axis at c of 0 0 c. Now equation of plane is what? Now equation of plane is x by a plus y by b plus z by c is equal to 1. Okay, and we can write this is equal to what? X by a plus y by b plus z by c minus 1 equal to 0. Now according to question, small p is equal to the distance from origin. Distance from what? Distance from origin to the plane. That implies p is equal to, now distance from origin means what? My mode of minus 1 divided by x coefficient square, that is 1 by a square, that is 1 by square root of 1 by a square plus 1 by b square plus 1 by c square, that is x coefficient square plus y coefficient square plus z coefficient square. So p is equal to what? And this is equal to, reverse this and squaring, that is what? 1 by a square plus 1 by b square plus 1 by c square is equal to 1 by p square. Suppose this is equation 1. Now the planes are parallel to, this is what? This is x axis and this is x axis, this is y axis, and the plane is what? This plane is what? This plane is yz plane. This plane is what? Yz plane. And the plane passes through the point A, which is parallel to yz plane. Now the plane passes through A. The plane what? Passes through A of A 0 0, that is parallel to yz plane, which is parallel to yz plane. So its equation is what? So its equation is x is equal to a. Similarly the plane passes through b of 0 b 0 is y equal to b, and the plane passes through c of 0 0 c is what? Z is equal to c. Now put a is equal to x, then equation of the point of intersection. Then equation of the point of intersection is what? Sorry, the equation of, then the locus of the point of intersection is what? ABC. This is, suppose, passes through this point and passes through this point and passes through this point. What is this point? This is ABC. So the point of intersection is what? Therefore, so the point of intersection point of intersection is ABC. Point of intersection is ABC. Now its locus is x is equal to a, y equal to b, z equal to c. Put in equation 1. Put in equation 1. That is what? 1 by x square, 1 by x square, 1 by what? 1 by x square plus 1 by y square plus 1 by z square. Clear? That is 1 by x square plus 1 by y square plus 1 by z square. 1 by z square is equal to what? That is 1 by p square. 1 by p square. This is the locus of the point of intersection. Okay. One question is here. A variable plane passes through a fixed point A, B, C and meets the coordinate axis, that is axis at the point capital ABC, so that the locus of the point common to the planes drawn through the point ABC and parallel to the coordinate planes is given by A by x plus B by y plus C by z is equal to 1. Okay. So solution is, suppose the coordinate system is like this. So this is origin and this is x axis and this is y axis and this is z axis. Okay. The variable plane passes through the point A and here B and C. The variable plane passes through the point at axis, that is A, B, C, and this is suppose plane also given a point, that is A, B, C. A point, suppose this is A, B, C, lies on the plane. So this cannot be A 0 0 because A present here. This cannot be 0 B 0 because B is present here, and this cannot be 0 0 C because C is here. Okay. So another symbol we have to use. The plane passes through the point, that is A of alpha 0 0, B of what? 0 beta 0 and C of 0 0 gamma. Let the variable plane passes meets at. Let the variable plane meets at what? Meets at x axis, at A of alpha 0 0, y axis at B of 0 beta 0 and z axis at C of 0 0 gamma. Therefore equation of plane is x by alpha plus y by beta plus z by gamma is equal to 1. According to question, the plane, this is equation 1. According to question, the plane passes through a fixed point, that is what? A, B, C. So it will satisfy the equation of plane. So that implies what? Put x is equal to what? A. So A by alpha and B by y equal to B, that is B by beta, and this is C by gamma is equal to 1. Suppose this is equation 2. The equation of plane passes through the point means what? Parallel to yz plane. The equation of plane passes through passes through the point A of alpha 0 0, that is which is parallel to what? Which is parallel to yz plane is what? X is equal to alpha. Similarly, equation of plane passes through B of 0 beta 0, which is parallel to what? Parallel to xz plane is, that is what? Y equal to beta. Equation of plane passes through the point C of 0 0 gamma, which is parallel to what? XY plane is what? Is z is equal to gamma. Now the common point, this is the plane passes through like this, and the plane passes through like this, and the plane passes through like this. This is the common point. This is common point is alpha, beta, gamma. So the common point is what? Common point is alpha, beta, gamma, and its locus is alpha equal to x, beta is equal to y, and gamma equal to z. Put in equation 2. So that is a by x plus b by y plus c by z is equal to 1 is the required locus. It is the required locus. Okay, this is question from Elements book. Now other concepts: system of planes, number 1, equation of plane parallel to the given plane, equation of plane parallel to the given plane with a Cartesian system, with Cartesian equation, equation of plane which is parallel to the plane, ax plus by plus cz plus d is equal to 0 is ax plus by plus cz plus lambda is equal to 0, where lambda is unknown constants. We have to find the value of lambda using the given condition, using the given condition. Okay, this is Cartesian equation. B, vector equation. Equation of plane which is parallel to the plane, equation of plane which is parallel to the plane, r dot n vector is equal to d is r dot n vector is equal to lambda. Okay, where lambda is unknown constant, where lambda is unknown constant, we have to find using given condition, okay. So this is, suppose this is equation of plane. Here whose equation is what? Ax plus by plus cz plus d equal to 0, and the equation of plane parallel to this plane. This will be what? Only the term, constant term changes. So this is ax plus by plus cz plus lambda is equal to 0. In case of here vector equation, so it is at d and it is lambda, only constant term changes. So now problem related to this question. Now find the equation of plane passing through the point 1 to -1 and parallel to the plane. Solution: given plane is 3x plus 4y minus z plus 2 is equal to 0. This is equation 1. So this plane is like this. Is equation is what? 3x plus 4y minus z plus 2 is equal to 0. Now equation of plane parallel to this plane is what? 3x plus 4y minus z plus lambda equal to 0. Got it? So equation of plane parallel to the plane 1 is 3x plus 4y minus z plus lambda equal to 0. This is equation 2. And according to question, equation 2 passes through the point what? 1, 2, minus 1. 1, 2, minus 1. Put in equation 2, 3 into 1 plus 4 into 2 minus of minus 1 plus lambda is equal to 0. So 3 plus 8 plus 1 plus lambda is equal to 0. That is 12 plus lambda is equal to 0, and implies lambda is equal to minus. Therefore equation of required plane. Equation of required plane is 3x plus 4y minus z minus 12 is equal to 0. This is answer. Now another question is, which is in vector form. Equation of plane passing through a point whose position vector is I cap minus 2j cap plus 3k cap and parallel to the plane r dot 2y minus 4k is equal to 7. So solution is what? Now solution is given plane. Solution given plane what? Is r dot 2y minus j 4k is equal to 7. Okay, then equation of plane which is parallel to this is of equation 1, parallel to equation 1 is r dot 2y minus j plus 4k is equal to 7. This is equation 2. R is the common point where R is equal to xi plus yj plus zk. It passes through the point what? It passes through the point which is given what? I minus 2j plus 3k. So use in place of R this point. Now R means what? This is now R. So R is general point. So in place of R you put here this. So I cap minus 2j cap plus 3k cap dot 2i minus j plus 4k is equal to 7 means what? Lambda here. This is not 7, this is lambda. Now I, that is 1 into 2 minus 2 into minus 1 2 3 into 4, that is 12 is equal to lambda. So this is lambda is equal to what? That implies lambda is equal to 16. Okay, 2 then 12, 16. So equation of required plane is r dot 2i minus j plus 4k is equal to 16. This is answer. Now distance between two parallel planes. Distance between two parallel planes. Cartesian equations. For Cartesian equations, let a1x plus ax plus by plus ez plus d is equal to 0 and ax plus by plus ez plus lambda is equal to 0 with two parallel planes. Then distance between them, shortest distance between them is equal to d minus lambda mod of d minus lambda divided by square root of a square plus b square plus a square. Square root of a square plus b square. This is Cartesian equation. For vector equation, let r dot n vector is equal to d and r dot n vector is equal to lambda are two parallel planes. Then shortest distance between them. Shortest distance between them is equal to mod of d minus lambda divided by magnitude of n vector. These are the two forms of the shortest distance between two parallel planes. Find the distance between two parallel lines. Find the distance between two parallel planes. Number 1 question, 2x plus 3y minus z plus 1 is equal to 0 and 2x plus 3y minus z plus 3 is equal to 0. So solution is, this is x, y, z coefficient, x, y, z coefficient same. So need not, no need to balance it. So this is solution. Distance, this is suppose equation 1 and suppose this is equation 2. So distance between equation 1 and 2 is equal to what? Mode of 1 minus 3 divided by square root of 2 square plus 3 square plus minus 1 whole square. So this is what? Minus 2 mode, that is 2 by square root of 4 plus 9 plus 1, that is 2 by root over 14. Number 2 question, 3x plus 2y plus z is equal to 5, 6x plus 4y plus 2z is equal to suppose 7. Find the distance between. Find the distance between two parallel lines. Question number 2. So here this is equation 1 and equation 2. Here x coefficient, y x coefficient not equal, y coefficient not equal, z coefficient z. So multiply equation 1 by 2 to balance the coefficient of x, y, z. So equation what? 1 into 2, or you may take common 2 from equation 2. Got it? Or you may take common 2 from equation 2. Now or you can multiply equation 1 into 2, that is what? 6x plus 4y plus 2z is equal to what? This is equal to what? This is 10, and this is equation 1 is reduces to this, and 6x plus 4y plus 2z is equal to 7. Now apply the formula for these two equations. So distance is equal to 10 minus 7 mode divided by root over 6 square, 4 square, 2 square. Okay, so 3 by root over 36 plus 16 plus 4. So this is what? 20 plus 36, 56. This is 20 plus 36. So 3 by root over 56 is the answer. Now it is Cartesian form. Now vector form is what? Now vector form is, find the distance between the planes r dot 2y cap plus j cap plus k cap is equal to suppose 2, and r dot 2y plus j plus k 5 is equal to 5. So solution is what? Solution is by the formula, that is 2 mode of 2 minus 5 divided by magnitude of 2y j plus k. So this is your 3 by square root of 4 plus 1 plus 4, 1. So 3 by root 6, this is the answer. If this is not equal, then you have to make the equal, the vector what? N vector should be equal in both cases. This is the distance between two parallel lines. Now family of lines passing through the point of intersection of two lines. Equation of line passing through the point of intersection of two lines. equation of plane passing through the intersection of two planes. Equation of plane passing through the intersection of two planes. This is the concept. Okay, now the diagram is, this is Cartesian form. The plane is like this. Suppose this is a plane and this is another plane, this is another plane, this is another plane. So equation of plane passing through this, point. Okay, equation of plane passing through this, like this, the plane or this plane, infinite number of planes passing through the point of intersection of two planes. This is Cartesian form. Let a1x plus b1y plus c1z plus d1 is equal to 0, equation 1. a2x plus b2y plus c2z plus d2 is equal to 0, equation 2. b2 intersecting planes. Then equation of plane passing through the intersection of plane 1 and 2 is given by a1x plus b1y plus c1z plus d1 plus lambda into a2x plus b2y plus c2z plus d2 is equal to 0. That is, we can say p1 plus lambda is into p2 is equal to 0, where lambda is unknown constant. We have to find the value of lambda using given condition. This is Cartesian form. Now vector form is let r dot n1 vector is equal to d1, equation 1. r dot n2 is equal to d2, equation 2. b2 intersecting planes. Then equation of plane passing through the point of the intersection of plane 1 and plane 2 is given by r dot n1 vector minus d1 plus lambda into r2 dot n2 vector minus d2 is equal to 0, or we can say r vector dot n vector plus lambda into plus lambda into what? Plus lambda into r dot n2 vector is equal to what? d1 plus lambda d2, d1 plus lambda d2, where lambda is unknown constant. We have to find the value of lambda using given condition. Now two questions regarding the point of the plane passing through the intersection of two planes. This is very important question. The plane 4x plus 7y plus 4z minus 81 is equal to 0 is rotated through a right angle about its line of intersection with the planes 5x plus 3y plus 10z minus 25 is equal to 0. Find the equation of plane in new position. This is the question. So this is suppose the question plane. This is the plane. This is the plane whose equation is what? 4x plus 7y plus 4z. 4 plus z plus 81 is equal to 0. And it's rotated about its line of intersection. So another line here, that is what? Another plane here, that is another plane here. Suppose this is another plane. This plane, this is line of intersection. This is what? Line of intersection. This equation is what? 5x plus 3y plus 10z minus 2 is equal to 0. This line, this is equation 1 and this is equation 2. Suppose equation 1 is rotated about the line of intersection 90 degree. Rotated 90 degree. This is new position. This is new position of the line 1. So this is the point of intersection of two lines. Given line. Now given line solution. Given plane, that is what? This is equation 1, 4x plus 7y plus 4z plus 81 is equal to 0, equation 1. And the line of intersection is what? 5x plus 3y plus 10z minus 25 is equal to 0, equation. According to question 1 plane 1 is rotated about the line of intersection of plane 2 at 90 degree. So the position of this plane is what? This plane is the intersection of two. This is new position. This is new position of plane 1. So this passes through this. So equation of plane passing through plane 1 and plane 2. Equation of plane in new position. In equation of plane 1 in new position is the plane passing through the intersection of planes 1 and 2 is 4x plus 7y plus 4z plus 81 plus lambda into 5x plus 3y plus 10z minus 25 is equal to 0. Okay. Now arrange this according to x, y, z. So 4 plus what? 5 lambda into x. 4x plus 5 lambda x. So x common. So 4 plus 5 lambda x. Then 7y plus lambda 3y. So y common. 7 plus 3 lambda went to y. And 4 plus 10 lambda into z plus 81 minus 25 lambda is equal to 0. This is what? Equation 3. Now according to question, angle between plane 1 and plane 2 is what? 9 degree. Now according to question, angle between plane 1 and 3 is 90 degree. So apply condition for perpendicular. By condition for perpendicular, we will get that is a1 a2 4 into 4 plus 5 lambda a1 a2 plus b1 b2. b1 means what? 7 plus 7 into 7 plus 3 lambda plus, and this is what? 4 plus 4 into what? 4 plus 10 lambda. 4 plus 10 lambda is equal to 0. This is condition for perpendicular. a1 a2 plus b1 b2 plus c1 c2 is equal to 0. So this is equal to 16 plus 20 lambda, 49 plus 21 lambda, and 16 plus 40 lambda is equal to 0. So 40 lambda, that is what? 60 lambda, 80 lambda, 81 lambda. So 81 lambda is equal to what? That is 16, 32, and this is what? 4, and this is 16, 32 plus 49. 32 plus 49, that is what? 81 plus 81 is equal to 0. So lambda, 81 lambda is equal to minus 81. So lambda is equal to minus 1. Lambda is equal to minus 1. Okay, 81 lambda minus 80 is equal to minus 81. So lambda is equal to what? Lambda is equal to minus 1. Putting the value of lambda in equation 3. Putting the value of lambda in equation 3, we get 4 minus 5 into x, 7 minus 3 into y, 4 minus 10 plus 4 minus 10 into z, and 81 plus 25 plus 81 plus 25 is equal to 0. That is minus x plus 4y plus 6z, and this is what? 106 plus 106, 6, 10, that is 106. Or we can write x minus 4y minus 6z minus 106 is equal to 0. This is the new position of the plane 1. Now another question. This is the question. The plane Lx plus My is rotated through about its line of intersection with the plane Z equal to 0 through an angle alpha, measured alpha, so that the equation of plane is in new position is Lx plus My plus or minus Z into root over L square plus M square into tan alpha equal to 0. Solution given planes. Number 1, that is Lx plus My is equal to 0 equation 1 and Z is equal to 0 equation 2. Suppose this is what? This is the plane. This is Lx plus My equal to 0. And suppose this is Z axis. Suppose this is Z is equal to 0 means xy plane. And this rotation and comes to this position. And this position, this is the new position of plane. This is suppose 1 and this is suppose 2. New position of equation 2. Now this equation is the intersection of this. Okay, so equation of plane 1 in new position is the plane passing through the intersection of planes 1 and 2. So equation of which is Lx plus My plus lambda Z is equal to 0. This is equation 3. According to question, angle between equation 1 and equation 3 is alpha. So then cos alpha is equal to what? Then cos alpha is equal to what? L, that is L square plus M square plus 0 divided by root over L square plus M square into root over L square plus M square plus lambda square. So this is cos alpha, and we get sec alpha is equal to sec square alpha is equal to L square plus M square, L square plus M square. Okay, L square plus M square, that is we can get here root over what? L square plus M square divided by root over L square plus M square plus lambda square. So sec square alpha is equal to L square plus M square plus lambda square divided by L square plus what? L square plus M square. This is cos alpha, and sec alpha is equal to reciprocal of cos and then squaring. So sec square alpha is equal to what? L square plus M square by L square plus M square plus lambda square by L square plus M square. This is 1. So sec square alpha is equal to 1 plus lambda square by L square plus M square, L square plus M square. So sec square alpha minus 1 is equal to lambda square by what? L square plus M square. So this is tan square alpha. Tan square alpha is equal to lambda square by L square plus M square. That implies what? Tan alpha is equal to, now tan alpha is equal to, then L square, lambda square is equal to what? Then lambda square is equal to, what? From this step, come this. So lambda square is equal to what? L square plus M square into tan square alpha. So lambda is equal to plus or minus L square plus M square into tan alpha. Now equation of use lambda. Now use in equation 3. So equation 3 is this, that implies what? Lx plus my plus or minus what? Lambda z, that is L square plus m square into what? Z into L square plus m square into tan alpha is equal to 0. This is proved. This is proved. Okay, these are two important questions for the board examination. Now another easy questions. Find the equation of plane which passes through the intersection of two planes, this and the point 1, 2, 1. So solution: given planes 2x plus y minus z plus 1 is equal to 0, equation 1. X minus y plus z plus 2 is equal to 0, equation 2. Equation of plane passes through the intersection of plane 1 and 2 is 2x plus y minus z plus 1 plus lambda into x minus y plus z plus 2 is equal to 0. This is equation 3. It passes through, that is what? 1, 2, 1. The plane is passing through the point 1, 2, 1. So put the value of x is equal to 1, y equal to and z equal to 1. So 2 into 1, 2 plus 2 minus 1 plus 1 plus lambda 1 minus 2 plus 1 plus 2, okay, is equal to what? 0. That is plus 1 minus 1 cancel. This is what? 4 plus lambda into what? Plus 2 minus 2 cancel. That is 2 is equal to 0. So 2 lambda is equal to minus 4 and lambda is equal to what? Minus 2. Putting the value of lambda in equation 3. Putting the value of lambda in equation 3. Putting the value of lambda in equation 3. In equation 3, we get that is 2x, that implies 2x plus y minus z plus 1 and plus lambda means what? Minus 2 into x minus y plus z plus 2 is equal to 0. That implies 2x plus y minus z plus 1 minus 2x plus 2y minus 2z minus 4 is equal to 0. That implies 2x goes cancel, minus 2x goes cancel. This is what? 3y and minus 3z, and this is what? Minus 5. 3y minus 3z minus 5 is equal to 0. This is the required equation of the plane. Okay. Similarly, for vector equation, we can use the vector r. For a vector r, you can use the given point and find the value of lambda, that is to find the vector form. Thank you. These are the questions. Thank you. Have a nice day.